Hey there, project managers. Get ready to embark on a successful Asana data migration journey using Relokia's migration wizard. In this video, we'll equip you with all the tools and knowledge you need to smoothly transition to the powerful project management platform of Asana. Fasten your seatbelts and let's dive. First things first, you need to check what project data you can import to Asana. By default, Migration Wizard moves task lists, tasks along with their statuses, comments, attachments, tags, custom fields, started at and due dates, subtasks, and users. Other project records like created at comments, comment authors, inline images, created at, completed at, and updated dates of tasks are possible in a custom work. For more details, contact our support reps. When it comes to Asana data migration, you got two options: one-by-one project migration, bulk project migration. Regardless of the option you choose, there are a few essential preparations to make in Asana beforehand. Set up user profiles. Create a project to which you're going to import data and add agents to it. Create custom fields manually. Silence email notifications for all users. By completing these preparations, you'll be on track for a successful Asana data migration. Let's get started with a one-by-one project migration. First, create a Migration Wizard account. Go to app.relokia.com and sign up. Then click on Start Demo Migration. Choose your source project management system from a variety of supported platforms and fill in those access credentials to unlock the migration magic. Note that access credentials can vary depending on a specific platform. Now it's time to configure your source connection and handpick the project you wish to transfer. Remember, when you choose one-by-one project migration, you can only import one project at a time in both demo and full migrations. If you've got multiple projects to migrate in one go, opt for a bulk project migration. Next up, set your sights on the target platform, Asana. Sign in with your account by filling in your email address and password. With the stage set, choose the perfect workspace and project to import your data from the source. Now, specify the data entities you want to import. From users to tasks, comments, attachments, tags, and custom fields, you've got the power to transfer it all. Moving forward, click that box next to users and get ready to match items. Unassigned, deleted, or inactive users. No worries. Choose a default user to map those records and save your matching magic. Task mapping is up next, where you'll see the source platform fields gracefully aligning with Asana fields. You can map default fields and even those fancy custom fields. Want to migrate custom fields? There are two paths to migrate custom fields. Create them in Asana prior to the demo migration or add them during the data mapping process. Click Add the same field in Asana and voila! Finally, press Save Mapping. Now it's time to hit that Continue button and launch your free demo migration. Once your Asana migration is complete, a table of migration results awaits. Discover the reports for migrated, skipped, and failed records. Click on a button next to the report you want to check. There you get a list of records ID in the source platform and their new ID in Asana. If everything migrated correctly, it's high time to plan your full data migration. Let's get started with a one-by-one project migration. First, set up a demo migration just like you would for a single project. Follow each step diligently, from connecting the source and target platforms to configuring their connections. Select the desired data to import and work your magic by matching users and task fields. Once your demo migration is complete, it's time to double-check if all the records made the transfer flawlessly. Now, for the grand bulk project migration, here's what you need to do. Provide our team with a list of the projects you want to migrate. If you're looking to import all projects, let us know and we'll make it happen. Share with us the specific custom fields you want to migrate. In case not all fields are available in the default migration flow, just give us the details. If you're ready to import all available custom fields, we've got you covered too. If you haven't added all agents to Asana from the source, or if the agent's emails differ between the source and Asana, fear not. Compile a list for us, describing which source agent corresponds to each Asana agent. Just provide the agent's name and email at the source, along with their name and email at Asana. With these key details in hand, our team will work their migration magic, ensuring a seamless transition for your bulk project migration. The power is in your hands to decide which migration approach suits you best, the one-by-one project migration or the bulk project migration. Rest assured, our dedicated support team will be by your side, guiding you every step of the way as you conquer the realm of Asana migration like a true champion.